Today, we're going to draw a 12-petal mandala using a mathamat on simple scratch paper. This is a great exercise for precision, rhythm, and relaxation, so take your time and enjoy the process. Start by placing your paper on a flat surface. Set the mathamat so the point is steady and doesn't slide. Lightly draw a clean circle. This circle will be the foundation of our mandala, so keep the pressure gentle. You can always darken lines later. Now, without changing the radius, begin marking points around the circle. Rotate the mathamat and step off the distance evenly, creating 12 equal divisions. Think of the circle like a clock face. Each mark represents 1 hour. Accuracy here will make the mandala feel balanced and calm. Once all 12 points are marked, we'll begin forming the petals. Place the mathamat point on one mark and draw an arc that curves inward, connecting to the next mark. Repeat this process all the way around the circle. As you work, notice how each arc overlaps and weaves into the next. This is where the mandala starts to come alive. Continue slowly, petal by petal, keeping your hand relaxed. If a line isn't perfect, that's okay. Mandalas are about flow, not perfection. When all 12 petals are complete, take a moment to look at the symmetry you've created. You can leave the drawing as it is, or gently trace over the final lines to bring clarity and contrast. This simple 12-petal mandala is a beautiful reminder of how math, geometry, and art come together, one careful line at a time.